back to my channel. So today I have the April Hot Tips nail box. This is the 420 theme for this month. This is the second box that I've gotten. I actually got it on the 8th. It came pretty quick. It shipped out on the 1st and it got here the 8th, but I just haven't had a chance to unbox it. It did come a little bit crushed. I don't know the shipping and all that. So I did open it just to see if anything was damaged, and it wasn't, but I didn't like take everything out and really look at everything. So here we go. And then I will be doing a set, but it will probably be in a different video. So we just get the little card here. Just a cute little card. And then we get some charms. Little charms and rhinestones. Those are super cute. There's a little cat and like a little lollipop. And then some little rainbow iridescent rhinestones. And then we always get one of these little stickers. These are cute. Respect the nail tech. And then this one. That one's cute. Alright, so we get some glitters here. Those are super cool. I love those. And oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I don't have a color green. Oh wow. They have like a yellow gold shift to them. Oh, those are so pretty. Love those. Yeah, those are nice. Different sizes too. And then we get some of the gold little leaf charms. And the Care Bear. These are super cute. Oh, I love these. Can't wait to put these on the set. The Powerpuff Girls. And then some gold different things there. Those are super cool. That one. Love it. Love it. And then these are pretty rainbow leaves here. It's just dope. And then we get these super long tips. Those are fun. Those are cool. Look at that. That's awesome. And then I'm excited for this. I've never used spider gel before. Alright, so I got it open. Look how pretty that is. And look, you can see some of it already. It's just like stringy. I've never used this. I'm excited. I'm going to incorporate that in the set. But that color is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Love it. So that's the number 9 spider gel. And then, oh, my favorite part, the acrylic. So we get an acrylic in the box every month, and then inside of the acrylic is the, there's a charm in it, so. And this is just to swatch it on. And this is from the Glitter Baby Fantasy Collection. Ooh, that's pretty. Oops. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's super pretty. Look at that yellow. Oh, my goodness. Gorgeous. Alright, so let me see if we can find the charm. Oh, my goodness. I don't feel anything in here. I wonder if this I didn't get one in here. Yeah, I don't feel anything Oh no. Oh, that's a bummer. Yeah, I don't feel anything in here at all. Oh, that's weird. Well, oh well, that's fine. I like the glitter. Super pretty. Alright, I'll go ahead and swatch that. Alright, so I did do it on the little heart, little swatch thing, but that was hard to get on. It was slipping all over off from the tweezers. But I'll just show you here real quick. It's a real pretty yellow. Super pretty. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and then the set will be coming soon. Thank you so much. Bye.